We are in our Piano Adventures Technique and Artistry book, primer level, and we are playing Dance Band Drummer. So we are using only our middle fingers on our right and left hand, and our left hand is going to be on F, which is our green key here. And our right hand is going to start on middle C. And your right hand, third finger, is going to be moving up from C up to F. And it sounds like this. Now let's do our solfege. I'm going to play and sign at the same time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Fa, fa, do, do, fa, do. Fa, fa, re, re, fa, re. Fa, fa, mi, fa, mi. Fa, fa, fa. Okay. Now let's go ahead and say our note names. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. F, F, C, C, F, C, F, F, D, D, F, D, F, F, E, E, F, E, F, F, F. Okay, let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Green, green, red, red, green, red. Green, green, orange, orange, green, orange. Green, green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow. Green, green, green. Okay, I think you've got that one. That one's pretty easy.